Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now that's what I said, folks, $10,000 a month. This is a massive opportunity, so if you are interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how to modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques, and includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get an order for a high value gig, you can get someone on Fiverr to complete it for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. And bonus number 4, you'll learn how to create a passive income, and this is crucial. It is recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 in a day in just 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's get on with the review. Who is the vendor of Microsoft Copilot AI expertise? Well, it is produced and sold under the banner of Fire Launchers, which produces simplified products for online marketers. Their products are always popular and up to date. And Fire Launchers has over 50,000 sales to its credit on Warrior Plus. A remarkable achievement. Grab this one and grab it with my link. In a nutshell, it is a done-for-you product with private label rights. It shows you how to monetize your business, and you can rebrand it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profits. And why do I like PLR products? Well, because you can build your product using PLR as a starting point. Or you can just copy it and sell it as it is. Really great stuff. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. It's a complete ready-to-market sales material for reselling. It's ready-made, high-quality promotional material to sell, and you can keep 100% of the profits, as I mentioned earlier. It's an evergreen topic, which is in high demand. And it's loaded with full private label rights, and it can drive responsive leads on complete autopilot. Here's some things you can do with this product. You can bundle it with other products. You can offer it as a bonus to your existing product and make your customers happy. You can use it in your other video products or your webinars. You can distribute it to your affiliates as they promote you in so that they get a product that they can distribute. You could create ebooks and maybe even multiple ebooks out of it. You can retain paying members by adding this product to a paid membership site. And you can rename it, rebrand it, and customize it and claim full authorship. Everything is up to you. After all, it's PLR. What's included? Well, there are 10 modules. The first module is a Premier Training Guide on Microsoft Copilot AI expertise. There's number 2 is a well-designed sales page. Number 3 is a customer sales video. Number 4 is a professionally designed graphics. Number 5 is animated banners. Module 6 is professionally created expert email templates. Number 7 is professional mini sites. Number 8 are legal pages for the mini sites. And number 9 is social media graphics. And Module 10 provides PDF graphics as well. Now, there are also 3 fast action bonuses. There's a cheat sheet, a mind map, and top resources report. The complete sales funnel looks like this. The front end is a Microsoft Copilot AI expertise with PLR for $12.95. There are 4 upsells. There's a Microsoft Copilot AI expertise with PLR, a little expansion, for $37. There's a TikTok earning hack with PLR for $37. There's a lifetime PLR membership for $297. And there's a product installation service for $297. Now watch for the downsells. You might get less product or a different product, but downsells are often a way to save some money. Now, if you need to know more, click on that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And folks, I cannot recommend this enough. I know I have bought into this program and have earned a substantial amount of money. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. Gain reoccurring income online easily. Earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And how to drive traffic after purchasing a PLR. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Grab this product, and we'll see you next time.